Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Last week my Magic Mouse 1 has decided to break down and I need a new mouse, so I bought a new Magic Mouse 3. Let's open the package and see what's inside in 2024. Please subscribe and support this channel. Let's look first at the packaging. The packaging of Magic Mouse 3, I think it's a very good one. A cardboard box that is wrapped in plastic foil, and it's designed with attention to details, featuring a clear white cardboard box with Apple logo and the product name. Lately Apple is designing the products as eco-friendly, but this Magic Mouse 3 is not one of them, because on the packaging it was used plastic foil. I will remove the plastic foil and I want to see what's inside the box. I will lift the lid of the box and it is opening like an Apple product, a little hard, opening the lid of this box. It took some time till I was able to open the lid of the box, and inside you will see that is a Magic Mouse. This Magic Mouse is sitting on a custom molded tray that is very useful when this mouse is transported. Beneath the Magic Mouse tray we have the booklets, and we have also a very nice cable that has USB-C to Lightning connection. I will put the cable back and let's look to the booklet. Let's look at the papers that came in the box. I am very disappointed because I don't see any stickers, and let's see the Magic Mouse 3. I will put the box aside, and the design of Magic Mouse 3 is almost the same like Magic Mouse 1. The only exception is the fact that has a battery inside and has a charging port. The charging port is situated on the back side of the mouse that will create some inconveniences when you try to use the mouse and charging at the same time. Otherwise, if you want to charge it over the night when you are not using this mouse, it will be fine. Thank you for watching this video.